Hey everybody, Matthew Morris for Highland Woodworking, and today's video we're going to be talking about this magnetic flex LED work light. Now I've been using this light here in the shop and I've really fallen in love with it. One of the great things is this long neck. You can put it anywhere you need it to be, change its shape, turn on the light, and you immediately have light right where you need it. Now one of the cool things is once you move this light around right where you want it to be, it never heats up. So it'll illuminate the subject really well without that yellowish cast. Right out of the box, you can use the light right away. With an F-style or a quick clamp, you can clamp the light down. You can place the base between the jaws of a hand screw, or for 1/4 inch thick piece of steel, you can magnetically attach the light to the steel. Or if you really feel like it, you can mortise in a space for that 1/4 inch piece of steel. What I've done here is I went to the big box store and I grabbed a threaded rod, a nut, a washer, and a piece of pre-drilled 1/4 inch steel. I sanded that couple around. Once I put all those pieces together, I can take my light over, simply turn the lever, which rotates the magnet inside the base, directing the magnet's force to the bottom of the base. I can take my light, which is magnetically attached to this assembly, and put into any one of the holes that my holdfast would go into. It drops right in, and all I have to do is move the light, position it right where I want, and they're all the exact same holes I would put my holdfast. So I think that's pretty cool. Now, the other place I really fell in love with this light was over at the bandsaw. Just like over at the bench, I had the magnet holding onto some really smooth steel, and your cast iron work surfaces are exactly that. It's very easy to take this magnet and attach it and have it not move on you. It's rock solid. Now, you need a bit of metal mass to be able to do this, so the casing around your bandsaw may not have enough mass to do that. So just do what I did. Take the magnet base, put it on the other side of the fence, get your light right where you want it, and make your cuts. If you want to learn more about this light, head over to highlandwoodworking.com. Check it out. I love having it in my shop. I'm sure you're going to love having it in your shop.